welcome to a new video.
Today we got the brand new, well, not brand new-ish, but newish, well, the most recent 2024-25 Series 1 Hunting for Lane Hudson. Hopefully a clear-cut, Young Gun exclusive. It's a hobby box, so you can get exclusives, outbursts, all that kind of stuff. This box costs $149 Canadian. 12 packs per box. 12 cards per pack. McDavid on the cover. Series 2 is supposed to release March 15th. Crosby's on the cover. That's been a while since Crosby's been on that cover. McDavid. The box, we'll put it aside. First pack of the brand new Series 1. If you guys want to see what I pulled in the two blasters of this, check this video right now. It'll be in the link. All right. Oh, we got our Young Guns and Phil Kershaw. Sorry, I'm a little nasally today. Ridley Gregg. Barely Dubois, Stuart Skinner. We all saw that. Brock Nelson. Jamie Benn. And our renewed Young Guns. Anze Kopitar. Mr. 1,300 games. Just recently watched the podcast with Biz Nasty, and it was pretty cool. And guys, sorry if my hands are dirty. I just got home from work. They're not like greased. They just look like that. They're cracked. And a portrait of JT Miller. I think I know what this is. No. Zachary Bolduc. I think he's off to a slow start this year too. I'm not sure. Bring up his stats here. Zachary Bolduc. All right, next pack. Speed it up a little bit. Right. Ovi. Sarnak. Carter Verhaeghe. Kucherov and Gerard. We got a breaking news. Palat. Vasilevsky. Malkin. Breaking news of Mackenzie Weegar. A gaming PvP of Mark Stone and Marchessault. And a Jason Robinson aimbots. Next back. Looks like we got a Young Guns here and a Young Guns. Oh, we got a black. We'll save that for later. Next pack. The black Young Guns canvas, I believe. Get our outbursts. Outbursts up. Pie Suter. Slemnikov. Alex Tuck. Nick Foligno. Brent Burns. Quinn Hughes. Lehkonen. Sidney Crosby. Gaming XP. City Satellite. Kirill Kaprizov. Somebody who's absolutely lighting a lamp. And a Roman Josi. Albers. Next pack. So we got another Young Guns. We got a checkpoint of Slavkovsky. A couple base. Wyatt Johnson. Kopp. Killhorn. McCain. Checklist of Nikita Kucherov and William Nylander. We got a renewed of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Not bad. And our Young Guns is Frank Nazar, who recently had his first goal of the season. Put up a clip of Frank Nazar's first goal.
What a pass
for Nazar. Here he comes, and he scores! Frank Nazar in his NHL debut.
What do you think? Frank Nazar. That's back. Get these bags out of the way. What the hell is this? Oh, cut that out. Torterri, Ty Cartwright, Cole Perfetti, Binghamton, and Travis Sanheim, Alex Newhook, Barkov, JT Miller, Alex Lafreniere. Man, it's wow. I saw videos of what happened to LA, and my thoughts are with them. It's really crazy. Adam Fox canvas. Gaming FOV of Alexander Ovechkin. We got A lines speckles of Braden Point, Brandon Hagel, and Nikita Kucherov. No numbered or clear cut on this yet. Jason Dickinson, Sean Jersey, Gershev, and Sergachev. Base. Barbashev. Brock Faber. Nylander canvas. That's a cool one. Victor Hedman. Young and renewed. And holy, there we go. Boom. Logan Mayu. That's one I needed. That's awesome. That's really good. Go right into my Young Guns PC of all Habs, which I almost finished, and I will make a video about that soon. Granlund, Montembeault, Portra, Werenski, and Protas. Lafreniere, Jason Robinson, Braden Point, Ross Colton, breaking news of Matt Duchene, gaming FOV of McKinnon, and a city satellite of Elias Pettersson. Pack. Didn't open too well. Young Guns. Got a bunch of base. Nobody cares. Hellebuck. Checkpoints of Braden Schneider. Another checkpoint of Zekis. That's weird. Wow! lanehutson. Woo! lanehutson, Young Guns. What a freaking box. lanehutson, Young Guns. He's going up there. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, Matty. No freaking way. lanehutson. What a box. Base. Dazzlers of Nika Ehlers, Devin Tays canvas, and gaming FOV of Kamakar and Kaprizov. Next pack. This box is already treating me well. Cooley, Budnikov, Gord. Checkpoint of Cal McLean. And a portrait of Mark Stone. Cal McLean. Not a bad one, too. Solid one. Of course, his dad, John McLean, played for the league. Last pack until we get to the black and white. Okay, we got Allmark, McCabe, Paul Cotter, Drew Doughty, Marcus Peterson, gaming co-ops, Sparkles of Barzell and Boharvat, Kucherov, and a aimbots of Tim Stutzels, And we got 8 Slavkovsky. And a bunch of other base cards. For the black. Got Ryan Suter. TJ Oshie. Jordan Kyrou. Chris Kreider. Kyle Connor. Kerfoot. Jack Eichel. And our black and white is that's actually really cool. That's actually really good. And Matthew Nice in the back. I will take this. A Caden Gooley, black and white canvas, and a Keel Thomas. So we got a nice box. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and go check out Gamezilla's. This is where I bought my box. And I appreciate them for being a local hobby store. It's hard to do a business nowadays. And thanks for watching. Lane Hudson.